In this video, I will guide you through the simple process of updating your profile password within the security account areas of Typeform. Keeping your account credentials updated is a vital part of maintaining your online security. So, let us get started right away. To begin the process, you first need to navigate to the top right-hand corner of your screen. Look for the circle representing your user profile avatar and give it a click. This action will trigger a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, you should select Settings to move forward into your account management area. Once you are on the Settings page, shift your focus over to the left-hand navigation sidebar. Under the Organization Settings section, locate and click on the option labeled Account. This will open up the main Canvas workspace where your specific account details are managed. Now, scroll down or look through the page until you find the Change Password section. To start the update, you must first verify your identity by entering your current password into the first input box provided. After you have successfully entered your old password, move to the next field and type in your brand new password. To ensure there are no mistakes or typos, you will need to retype that same password into the field labeled Confirm New Password. Make sure both entries match perfectly so the system can accept the change. Once you have double-checked that everything is correct, the final step is to click the Save button located at the bottom of the section. Your new password will be applied immediately, and your account will now be more secure. It is always a good practice to use a unique and strong password that you do not use on other websites. Thank you for following along with this quick tutorial on managing your Typeform security settings. Now you can get back to building great forms with complete peace of mind.